This look is very easy to achieve and I know you can do it. So with that said, let's begin. First, we're gonna begin with the eyes, and this is such a beautiful and unique palette. This makeup palette is called Floral Engraving Beauty Goddess. This engraving is so beautiful. This is inspired by the goddess of the Luo River, and it is actually originally from a poem. It tells the love story of a man and the goddess herself. If FLORASIS is known for something, it is known for beautiful packaging, elegance, and just something so beautiful. This first shade that we're using is called Gentle Mist, and it is described as a matte orange peach. Now the second shade is called Lotus Flower. It is a matte warm peach, but it has hints of gold glitter. Now the shimmers here, I think is very fine. It's very subtle and it doesn't seem like you're actually wearing glitter. We're going to be using the shade called Shrouded Moon, and this is described as a matte espresso. There is something about FLORASIS eyeshadow that just applies very pigmented, but it applies very softly as well.
Next, we're putting this dark brown shimmer to the outer part of our lids. I'm using a flat brush and this is pretty dense, and I'm just packing the shade on the lid.
This one is called Verdant Waves. It is described as a teal brown shimmer and is very iridescent, wouldn't you say? I'm applying this shade all over my lid. Next, we are using Amorous Glance, which is described as a champagne rose glitter, and applying that kind of in the inner corner. It's mostly like the inner corner crease. I love applying shades right here because I feel like it opens up my eyes more. Now I'm using the lightest shade in the palette. This is called Returning Snow, and this is described as a white gold glitter. If you're looking for the perfect inner corner highlight brush, I suggest using Sonia G Flat Definer brush. This is the perfect brush for this. It applies like a finger, but definitely small enough to fit in the corner of your eyes. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush and I'm gonna apply the same shade but to my brow bone. Next, we are gonna be using this gold shade. This has a very fun name and I'm gonna try my best to pronounce it. This is called Brilliant Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. I'm applying this shade in the first half of my lower lash line. This shade is called Hidden Orchid, and this is a matte soft tan. This is a very nice contour shade. Definitely could use it to contour your eyes or your face. Now that we have used all the shades from this palette, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and my falsies.
All done.
Now let's move on to the face. We're gonna venture into this Eastern Beast makeup palette. This makeup palette has 4 shades. We've got a bronzer, a blush, and 2 highlighters. It looks like one of the highlighter is very subtle and less highlighty. This bronzer is described as a warm taupe. Ooh, this is very sculpty.
I'm using a smaller face brush first and then using a bigger one to blend it out, applying it on my forehead underneath my chin, and I'm also contouring my nose.
Look at the difference. I really want to apply this matte-ish highlighter here underneath my eyes. It looks like it's a very brightening. Time to try the blush. This blush is described as a milky peach shade. This blush matches so well with my crease eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna apply this highlighter shade on my nose bridge. Ooh, look at that sheen. This is gorgeous. Okay, for the cheeks, I'm gonna use a different one. I know this makeup palette is bomb, but I really just want to share about this Twin Lotus highlighters. I have both the Quartz Glow and the Amber Glow. I really want to check this one out first.
I'm applying the Amber Glow on my left side of the face, which is your right. Oh, look at that.
Now let's check out the Quartz Glow.
This one is definitely lighter. This is like a very light champagne glow.
Okay, I literally love both of them. I think I'm just gonna mix them because, man, these are just so nice. I think I really like it mixed. It's just a perfect shade for me right now. I also have this setting powder here, and how it works is that you twist it and then you open it, and it does come with a puff. And then you open this, which reveals the powder. Finally, for the lips, I have 3 liquid lipsticks here. These are called Blooming Rouge Ultra Smooth Liquid Lipstick. Actually, this is described as a satin liquid lipstick. First, we're gonna start with 401. This is called True Lotus, and it is described as a cool pink. Next, we are trying out 502 Breathtaking Bordeaux. This is described as a cool wine red. Finally, the shade Gentle Strength. This is described as a cool dusty brown rose. I decided to go with a True Lotus lipstick. I love the peachy pinkness of it. I really enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. This was a really nice way to find out what I really think of the FLORASIS brand. If you enjoyed this makeup look today, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Check out this video. This is another one brand of makeup look, and it is by Merit. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.